Cozy 2-bedroom, 1-bath bungalow. Ready to move into. All on one level with easy flow floor plan. Nice sized living room with carpeting and large windows for lots of natural lighting. Cute inviting entry with plenty of room for coats, boots and packages. Lots of storage with floor to ceiling closets, the upper part of closets are cedar lined. Dining room has bi china cupboard for extra storage. Galley kitchen has lots and lots of storage with 6 upper and 9 lower cupboards and 8 drawers. There are 2 double deep Lazy Susans in the loser cupboards. Ceiling fans throughout. Large utility/laundry room with lots of storage. Updated electricity. Maintenance-free exterior with vinyl siding, metal roof, replacement windows, carport with storage area, plus nice storage shed. Nicely landscaped.